Welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the lichen. So about the lichen. Lichen is basically dual organism. Dual organism. As dual organism, lichen basically composed of two types of organism. One is fungi and another is algae. Algae and fungi both can form the lichen, and the relationship that is present between algae and fungi, the relationship is called mutual relationship, that is symbiosis. So fungi and algae both are present in symbiosis. Symbiosis is basically give and take policy. That means something fungi give to algae, and in respect of this, algae something give to fungi. This type of relationship is called symbiosis, where both the organism neither benefited nor harmed. Now, fungi part of the lichen, it is called mycobiont, and the algae part of the lichen is called phycobiont. Phycobiont and mycobiont. What mycobiont do? Mycobiont basically they absorb the water and minerals from the soil and transfer it to the algae. They absorb water and minerals and transfer to algae. And the phycobiont part, it is basically photosynthetic part. Photosynthetic part. So, being a photosynthetic part, phycobiont basically make the photosynthesis. That is, they make the food material and supply to the fungi. Now, take a look regarding the mycobiont. Mycobiont. As you know that mycobiont is basically the fungal part. So there are basically two types of fungi are involved in lichen. The major type, or the most of the fungi that is involved in lichen, they are Ascomycetes. Ascomycetes, and very few are Basidiomycetes. And in case of phycobiont, the major algae that are form the lichen or that are present in lichen, they are Chlorophyceae group. So Chlorophyceae group of algae, they are major part of the lichen, and very few involved, they are Cyanophyceae. Cyanophyceae. Chlorophyceae basically blue green algae. Blue green algae. Total 21 genera are involved in making lichen, and Chlorophyceae is basically cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria. Here only 12 genera are involved in making lichen. Now next is habitat. Where lichen are mostly found or generally found, except any polluted area, in any places lichen can be found. So we can say that except polluted area, any places, in any places lichen can be found. Here any places means it can be rock, it can be bark of tree, it can be any place, it can be rock, it can be soil. Except rock, bark and soil, it can be found in fresh water and it can be found in and marine water. The lichen that are found in the rock, this lichen is called saxicolor. The lichen that are found in the bark, this lichen is called corticolor. The lichen that are found in the soil, this lichen are basically called terricolor. So these are different type of lichen. They can be found on the rock, they can be found on the bark, they can be found on the soil. So these are the general instruction or general characters that are present in the lichen. In the next video we are discussing about the classification of lichen. Thank you very much.